Hi guys, namaste. I hope all of you are doing well. The question that keeps popping up every now and then is, what is an Ashtakavarga? What is that? Okay. So very simply, Ashtakavarga is a assessment of a graha's strength during its transit over the rasis or zodiac signs. Okay. What it means is that at the time of one's birth, we could check the strength of the grahas using the grahabalan, the shatbala, and other forms of strength. We can also check its strength from its dignity by looking at the aspects table and drishti and things like that. Now, those are when the object is sort of stationary at the time of your birth. It is snapshot during at the time of your birth, but what about when the graha is in transit? Okay, say you wanted to know during this particular transit of a graha from this house to that house, what sort of strength or its delivery, right, is based off. Okay, that is where Ashtakavarga comes. Ashtakavarga shows the position of a graha moving. Normally is in reference from the moon. Okay, say if you have Mercury, and Mercury is going from the third of the moon or from the seventh from the moon. Okay, there are some benefics and malefics of it. Okay, just like that, everything is referred by default is from the moon. Okay, the transit of a graha is based on its movement from the moon to the other houses. Okay, the moon is the center of reference. Now that gives us certain points. Okay, the points is mapped on the Ashtakavarga table. Okay, now here's the thing. Not only it shows the differences from itself and the moon, but also from the other grahas as well. That is why Ashtakavarga has 8. Of course, Ashtaka means 8, right? It shows all the movements of the grahas from not only the moon, but even from the lagna and the rest of the 7 grahas, which makes it 8 lagna and the 7 grahas. Say if I want to know, let me give you an example. Say if I want to know during a particular transit of Saturn to the 3rd house from the lagna, how is that going to be? How is that going to affect me? So then I can look at Ashtakavarga table and I can see, and it will show you the points there, the numbers or the bindus show the points, and from there we can gauge how that's going to be. Either it's malefic or benefic, the power, the potency, and things like that. Okay, but of course there are many things we can talk about Ashtakavarga. It is not really straightforward, but the concept here is that it shows us the power or the potency of a graha in transit, during transit from either the moon or any of the grahas, which includes the lagna, from one rasi to another. Okay, so it comes in very handy when you're doing transits, when you're doing gochara and all that. It comes in pretty handy. Alright guys, that's about what is an Ashtakavarga. Hope it has been useful. Thanks and stay tuned. Namaste.